Chemical alter ego. The duality of addictive substances. Table of contents. What and who is the chemical alter ego? Neurotransmitters and personality. Neurochemical transformation. Impact on overall health. Family and socio-economic relationships. The benevolent disguise. Managing, importance of prevention and conclusion. What is the chemical alter ego? In psychology, the idea of a chemical alter ego could refer to the profound impact that chemical substances, whether they be medications, recreational drugs, alcohol, or even the brain's own natural neurochemistry, can have on the way we think, feel, and behave. A chemical alter ego might manifest as a person exhibiting a radically different personality, mood, or behavior due to changes in the brain's chemical balance. This could happen in both temporary and chronic conditions, ranging from the effects of drug use to the symptoms of mental health disorders such as bipolar disorder or schizophrenia. Who is the chemical alter ego? Let's imagine that addictive substances are like that canonical event, that spider, that X substance, capable of transforming your identity into a chemical alter ego. In this session, we'll explore how all of this can happen. We'll analyze the impact, from medicinal superpowers to the dark turns it can take. Where do the changes occur? The brain is made up of billions of neurons, the key cells of the nervous system. They communicate through neurotransmitters, the messengers responsible for delivering information and triggering an immediate response in our body. When addictive substances enter the storyline, they take over the role of natural neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters and personality. Dopamine, known as the reward neurotransmitter, dopamine is associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. Imbalances in dopamine levels are often seen in conditions like addiction, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder, where individuals may experience heightened feelings of euphoria, disinhibition, or even psychosis. When dopamine is altered, whether due to drug use or mental illness, a person's sense of self or behavior can radically change, creating a chemical alter ego that feels disconnected from their typical personality. Serotonin. Often dubbed the feel-good neurotransmitter, serotonin plays a critical role in regulating mood, sleep, and anxiety. A serotonin imbalance is a key factor in conditions like depression, anxiety disorders, and obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. People with low serotonin may feel irritable, anxious, or disconnected, and medication, like SSRIs, can restore balance, sometimes leading to a shift in a person's emotional state that feels like a different version of themselves. Norepinephrine, this neurotransmitter is associated with alertness, energy, and attention. Elevated norepinephrine levels can lead to hyperactivity, anxiety, and agitation, while a lack of it might contribute to low energy, depression, or difficulty concentrating. The chemical alter ego here could be someone who becomes suddenly overactive or anxious after a stimulant like caffeine or amphetamines, or someone who becomes withdrawn and sluggish due to a lack of norepinephrine. Neurochemical transformation. This invasion of chemical compounds in the brain can create an alter ego. Some act as stimulants, increasing neural activity, others as hallucinogens, altering perception, and finally, depressants, slowing down brain function. Here are three distinct effects. Number 1. Stimulants. Activate the nervous system. Coffee, cocaine. Number 2. Hallucinogens. Distort perception. LSD, psilocybin. Number 3. Depressants. Reduce brain activity. Alcohol, tranquilizers. Stimulants. Activation pathway. Stimulate the dopamine and norepinephrine pathways, increasing the release of these neurotransmitters at neural synapse. Effects. Dopamine enhances pleasure and focus, while norepinephrine boosts alertness and energy. Cocaine and stimulants. Drugs like cocaine, methamphetamine, and even nicotine are stimulants that increase dopamine levels, leading to feelings of euphoria, extreme energy, and confidence. However, this high often masks underlying personality traits, and a person on stimulants can appear almost like a completely different person, overconfident, hyperactive, and even reckless. The chemical alter ego, in this case, is someone who is far more risk-taking and socially outgoing than their usual self. Hallucinogens. Activation pathway. Primarily affect serotonin, altering perception and mood. Effects. Serotonin plays a crucial role in mood regulation and sensory interpretation. Disruption of this pathway leads to unique visual and cognitive experiences detached from reality. LSD psilocybin. Hallucinogens like LSD and psilocybin can radically change a person's perception of reality. A person under the influence of these substances may experience profound shifts in consciousness, altered sense of time, and distorted perception of their own identity. In many cases, users report experiencing an entirely different persona or identity during their trip, what could be described as a chemical alter ego. Depressants. Activation pathway primarily operate through GABA, the main inhibitory neurotransmitter in the central nervous system. Effects. GABA reduces neuronal excitability, producing a sense of calm and relaxation. However, excessive GABA activity can suppress vital functions, leading to sedation and, in extreme cases, respiratory depression. Alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant that can affect mood and cognitive function. In moderate doses, it can lower inhibitions, making people more extroverted, talkative, or emotionally expressive. But in higher doses, it can create a more aggressive or disinhibited personality. This duality, becoming either an uninhibited partygoer or a hostile individual, can be considered a chemical alter ego, where alcohol completely transforms someone's personality. Impact on overall health. At this stage, it might seem that the alter ego only impacts the brain. However, addictive substances affect various aspects of health depending on how frequently they are used, the quantity consumed, and the intensity of their effects. Short-term effects. Physical. Stimulants can cause insomnia and increased blood pressure. Hallucinogens may trigger anxiety and confusion. Depressants, example, alcohol, lead to motor coordination issues. Mental, mood swings, paranoia, and anxiety are common, regardless of the type of substance. Medium-term effects. Physical, stimulants can contribute to cardiovascular problems. Hallucinogens may affect long-term perception. Depressants, abuse is associated with liver and kidney damage. Mental, depression and memory problems can develop with continued use. Long-term effects. Physical, stimulants, increased risk of cardiovascular problems. Hallucinogens, persistent use may affect long-term perception. Depressants, excessive use can lead to irreversible organ damage. Mental, addiction and severe mental disorders can develop regardless of the substance. Bipolar disorder, the highs and lows of a chemical alter ego. In bipolar disorder, the brain's neurochemistry fluctuates dramatically between extreme moods, mania, and depression. During manic episodes, individuals may experience inflated self-esteem, impulsivity, hyperactivity, and reckless behavior, which can seem like a chemical alter ego in comparison to their normal state. Manic episodes. During a manic episode, people might feel invincible, super productive, and extremely social. They may take risks, make impulsive decisions, or exhibit behaviors they would normally avoid. This is often the result of changes in dopamine and serotonin levels, which drive the euphoria and disinhibition of mania. Depressive episodes. In contrast, during depressive episodes, the individual may feel completely disconnected from their usual self, unmotivated, deeply sad, and withdrawn. The stark contrast between the manic and depressive phases of bipolar disorder can create the sense of living with two very different personalities or alter egos. Dissociative identity disorder, the extreme of chemical and psychological alteration. In more extreme cases, a person may experience dissociative identity disorder, previously known as multiple personality disorder. DID is often a response to trauma, where the brain splits into distinct identities to protect the person from psychological pain. Each identity can have a unique set of behaviors, memories, and even different physiological responses. While DID is primarily a psychological condition, it also involves altered brain chemistry, as certain identities may be associated with different emotional or physiological states. Family and socio-economic relationships. The impact of the alter ego is a broader drama. Beyond the toll on overall health, it's also important to explore how it affects family relationships and the socio-economic costs involved. Family impact. Behavioral changes, constant pursuit of substances, and emotional instability can strain relationships, leading to conflicts and significant challenges within the family. Socio-economic impact. It contributes to increased costs in public health systems by raising the demand for medical treatments and emergency services. Criminality, substance abuse frequently leads to illegal activities, contributing to higher crime rates and societal instability. The benevolent disguise. In medicine, some substances, such as opioid analgesics for chronic pain or psychedelics in controlled therapies, have demonstrated therapeutic benefits. The line between recreational and medical use can become blurred, making it essential to distinguish between therapeutic use under professional supervision and the risk of sliding into the dark abyss of recreational abuse. Addictive substances can play the role of a hero in treating specific diseases and disorders, but only when used under proper medical guidance. Managing the chemical alter ego. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medication. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and medication. Psychological interventions, like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, are often used to help individuals who experience drastic shifts in behavior or mood due to chemical imbalances. CBT focuses on changing thought patterns and behaviors to help individuals regain control over their emotions and actions. For people experiencing mental health conditions like bipolar disorder or anxiety, medication can be used to stabilize brain chemistry and help prevent extreme mood swings or personality shifts. Mindfulness and self-awareness. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can help individuals gain better control over their emotional states and reduce the influence of chemical imbalances on their behavior. Being aware of how substances, medications, or mental health conditions alter your thoughts and actions can empower you to better manage these shifts. Importance of prevention and conclusion. Prevention does not negate the medicinal benefits of substances. It focuses on responsible use, avoiding the pitfalls of the alter ego. Prevention extends beyond the individual, addressing social, economic, and familial impacts. Preventing the alter ego preserves harmony on multiple levels. A balanced approach acknowledges medical uses but emphasizes the need to prevent abuse. Health, relationships, and society thrive with mindful choices. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing content. Stay tuned.